What's going on, everybody? I was having some fun building some automation and AI tools, and I wanted to show everybody what this crazy tech is capable of because I just can't believe it. First, I started with ChatGPT. I was looking to get some content ideas for a marketing campaign for creating content. Basically, I gave it some instruction, an example of what I wanted the output to look like, and I wanted to get some examples before we actually create this CSV file that I was hoping to get. So it gave me 10 examples of different social media posts and facts I can use for my marketing agency here. So these all looked great, but you know what, ChatGPT can be a little suspect. So I asked for citations. It gave me a few, which honestly, a couple of them seem to be other AI SEO posts sort of deal, but some seem okay. They all look legitimate, like common marketing facts. So I was like, that's great. Why don't you make 30 of them and put it into a CSV format? And I asked for a specific format here with column A and column B, so that way I could bulk upload that to a social media content creator. So it did exactly that, gave me the CSV file. So what I did there was I used Canva to bulk create this content. Basically, you upload these fields, you'll merge them as a merge field here into the content. So it replaces this text, and then you're able to bulk create these designs. So here's what everything came out to look like. A little bit of editing here and there, but it gave me everything that I was looking for with the bulk content with all these marketing facts. And then I decided, okay, now I need to post all of these to social media. So I have a posting tool through VBout. And with that one, you'll need to find another example of their CSV format to see what template you'll want to use. So I pulled that one up. And this was their template. You'll need a date field in this format. You'll need the post content and any links go here. And then here is the public hosted image link. So here's what I did for that one. I went back to ChatGPT and I'd said I like the same exact info, except column A is now going to have this date field in this format. Choose random dates to schedule out throughout 2025, starting with this date. Column B will have the fact and the call to action, and then Focused-Biz as a website link. And then I needed an example before it prepares this Excel sheet. So it came back with this information. This all looked perfect in the format that I was hoping for. And I said, this is perfect, thank you. So it gave me the reformatted sample for me with all the examples. Now, this is where I got to a point where I have a couple options. I can either host this to like a public sharing site like Imgur. You could post this to a WordPress website in your media collection, so that way you have a publicly hosted URL. Or you can load this up directly to the social media poster. So here I'm going to be posting to 3 different platforms. It will be Facebook, LinkedIn, and my Google Business profile as well. Since I do want to utilize the same content here that I downloaded in some of my blog content, I'm going to go ahead and just upload this to my WordPress website. That way I'll have the content available for both purposes, save some time. So what WordPress will do is create a public URL link that hosts this media, and then I'll be able to put that into the Excel spreadsheet here to match up the content together. So this is a great way to create content in mass, save a lot of time using both ChatGPT and automation tools here. And there's a ton of different tools available to get similar results. It's just about what works best for you, what systems you're working with. So ChatGPT has been excellent for using a lot of that. There's other ways that I'm using some social media and content creation. This is using active pieces. So what this automation does here is anytime I create a new row inside of a Google Sheet, it's going to ask ChatGPT to create some topics or titles for a long SEO post about whatever title or topic I'm looking for in the Excel spreadsheet. It's going to send over some JSON code. It's going to loop some information back with the LLM, getting ChatGPT back in. It's going to get information and put it into storage and then retrieve the information again to then post that to WordPress. And it sends an email directly to the user to say, hey, just want to let you know we posted a new blog post in your website. Why don't you go check the draft section, make some edits, and then you're welcome to go ahead and publish that post. So this is another great tool to have automation built inside of your content strategy, just so you can do more and you can focus on more important things rather than scheduling all these social media posts out here. But a lot of great tools to use, both ChatGPT and LLMs in general. If we take a look at an automation that I built, what we have here is AI right now. Conversational AI can be used in chat websites, so like a chat widget. So when you ask for questions or resources or booking appointments, that has more flexibility and adaptability over a lot of the traditional chatbots that used to exist. Before, it would be very logic-based, yes or no, follow a specific pattern. So you were a bit more limited. Now with the new chatbots, you're able to create something even more robust that has a lot more flexibility, which is really excellent. So right now I'm using that on my DJ website, which is nurturing website leads, and this is the back-end automation that kind of works through that. But again, it's just sending a nurturing email, an update email. A lot of these things can be built in advance, so that way you don't have to worry about the lead nurturing, the update of contacts, and all this other information as well. So we got some fun content coming out, putting the social media posts together. Excited to put a lot more out there. If you guys are interested in learning more about some of these tools and automations that we're creating here, we have a Facebook community called the Boss Business Owner Strategy and Support Group. Feel free to come join up there. And if you're interested in learning more about how this could be used in your business, your daily life, feel free to chat with us, and we can talk a bit more.